So hello, I want to welcome you. I want to say what's up, you guys out there. It's Jason in the house. It's JJDPhotography, and I want to welcome you to my channel today. I was gonna do it and I didn't, so I'm doing it now. So I was actually doing a challenge. I had a camera. Here's my camera. Can you see my camera? It's a film camera. I'm taking a picture right now. Can you see it? Can you see it right now? It's right here. I'm taking it right now. This is what I use, in my film. It's a 35 film camera. Very old, not digital. It doesn't have a screen on it. And this is what I use for my challenge. This is my first challenge. I did about, how many pictures did I do? So the pictures should be on one either side, what I've done. And I've done alright actually. I thought I would have done a lot more, but because this thing didn't wind on, look, it didn't actually wind on. After take a picture, it didn't actually wind right. And I found that you need to wind it right on to actually take the picture properly. So that's what happened. So you can have a look at what I've done, and next time you see my next challenge. So this was #1 challenge, and if you like what you see, subscribe, comment and please comment, please smash that button and subscribe please, and I will see you next time, and that's all I'm gonna say today. Bye.